This Lumpiang Hubad recipe or egg roll bowl lets you enjoy Filipino fresh lumpia without the wrapper. Complete the experience by pouring a generous amount of garlicky sauce and top with ground peanuts. To begin, heat cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, cook the cubed firm tofu until golden. Transfer fried tofu in a bowl, then set aside for the meantime. Next, sauté chopped garlic and sliced onion until they become fragrant and translucent, releasing their savory aroma. Stir in julienne carrots and green beans into the pan, allowing them to soften slightly while retaining their crispness. Add water, then season the mixture with fish sauce, salt, pepper, and sugar to impart depth and umami, enhancing the overall taste profile of the dish. Mix to combine the ingredients. Add in the bean sprouts, letting them cook until they turn crisp and tender. Mix in the chopped cabbage and let the mixture simmer gently, allowing the flavors to melt together and the vegetables to absorb the savory flavors. Tip in the fried tofu and give it a quick toss to distribute all ingredients. With the filling prepared, it's time to make the lumpia sauce. Place water, soy sauce, brown sugar, cornstarch, and minced garlic in a saucepan or small pot. Turn the stove over low heat. Cook the mixture while stirring. Taste and adjust with salt and pepper if needed. Continue cooking until sauce thickens or preferred consistency is achieved. Serve warm and enjoy this delicious lumpia dish as a side, snack, or even as your main dish.